Hi guys, another Poundland jigsaw puzzle. Graphics, 45 pieces, clearly made for kids, so I will mark this video as made for kids. You won't be able to make any comments on it, but you will still be able to check out the video description for additional information. So let's get on it. See if we can get it open. £39cm by 29cm. So I might have to move the camera out a bit. Nice big pieces. A couple of them joined together, so we'll separate them out. Oh, that's not so good. Bit of the backing paper coming off. Okay, so let's get going. Edge pieces. This is a brand new jigsaw straight from Poundland, not one of my second-hand ones from the charity shops, which is where I normally buy them. But being as I normally pay £1 or so in a charity shop, I thought we might just as well pay a full £1 and get these brand new ones from Poundland. I've no doubt if you're in a different country, like over in the USA or something, your dollar stores will have something similar. Probably. Can't guarantee it because I don't happen to live over in the good old USA. Some of these are a bit bent. I wonder if somebody's taken it back to the shop and got their money back. That'd be disappointing. Right, okay, blue and yellow. Yeah, that'll go together. Cloud, yeah. Another bit of cloud, another bit of cloud. Tree. I reckon that's going to be over on the right. Tree. Yeah, that looks good. Stay in place, come on. Yeah, I think I might have to move the camera out a bit. Oh, well, that's the width. That's okay. It depends how deep it is, doesn't it? Okay, how's that? Oh yes, we're going to get it on camera screen in one go. Okay, a few more edge pieces. Okay, so there's our outside edge. Nice bright colours. Okay, now we're cooking. Oh, got carried away there. There we go. I think that's a very nice little jigsaw. 45 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 by 5. Well, there we go guys, we made it to the end of another video. If you've watched this far, thank you very much. Much appreciated. If you want more information, there'll be information down in the video description. So, thanks again, and hope to see you again soon.